I'll pan way upstream on the Kakwa. We get some video on the river. We just left our lunch spot here. They're taking off without us, Norm and Dwight. There's our sitting log. We better go catch them. I meant to do some video around supper time, but it's 10 o'clock. After 10 o'clock already. We had supper a long time ago. Well, not that long ago. We didn't get in here until 7:45. Did we do? No, we didn't stay at the campsite we've always stayed at before, because about a kilometer upstream of that, Norm and Dwight saw a bear coming down to the river, and they made some noise, and it changed his mind and went back into the forest, and they said it was a big one, a very big one. Sort of looked like a black bear, but it could have been a grizzly. So only at less than a kilometer from the campsite, we decided to move. We didn't want to camp there. And Norm, on his map, he had written down a possible campsite about another kilometer or two downstream on the other side of the river. He'd never camped there before, so we came down to it, and he said it was just after a ledge. So we went over this big ledge, and Norm was in the lead, and he kept on going. I'm looking to the left, and there's some sand, but it's sloped too much. We can't put the tents there. It's quite a nice site. Lots of open area here. And the grass is very soft. And Dwight just can't catch any fish. I recently tried 2 different spots, but there's no bites so far. I haven't tried yet. Carrie and I haven't tried yet. I'll definitely have to try tomorrow.
Get a fire going, we can always light the matches.
Let's do some filming in daytime.
One match to work every day.
Just finishing breakfast. Well, we're finished breakfast. Starting to clean up. It's a nice sunny day.
It's a really nice day. It's hot out. The water's warm. And we're just having a heck of a good time.
Carrie, Dwight, Norm.
And the fishing's good.
Fishing's good, yeah. Carrie caught.
Must have been, wow.
Be realistic now. Of course, nobody saw it. There's no witnesses. He claims to have caught one. Yeah, I don't know about that.
I know when to catch my fish.
He described it to us. It sounded like a bull trout.
Bull what? Bull trout.
A bull a bull sheet. A bull sheet story. Came to scout this out. Dwight and Norm. Just gonna go past the rapids on this near shore here. Not too bad if you stay near the shore. Whoa!
Taking a load of water downstream.
No problem. Safely to shore.
Okay. So there's Harvey and Carrie upstream there, and they're going to get in their boat and come on down to these rapids. The wild, ferocious rapids here on the Kakwa River. Okay. And there they go. They're getting in the boat now. a steep drop here. According to Norm, there's a big rock under the water partway down that you can get hung up on. And they're getting lined up for their run down here. Norm and Carrie. Sorry, Harvey and Carrie coming down the river here. Some big water there. There you go, guys. A little bit more rough water down at the bottom there. Right on.
See them. Oh, there they are. Okay. Wasn't much of a rapid, but
Joanna, don't you cry for me. I'm coming from the Kakwa, and I sure gotta go.
we're in another overhang here. Norm and Dwight should be coming into view pretty quick. Oh, it's nice and calm in here. The current is non-existent, so you can just sit here and stay.
Just what the experts do.
Here we are into this outcropping here. The ledge. We're drifting out into the current again. Carrie and I almost had trouble. Crossbow draw. Get your end in there. We got a bear swimming across the river. I don't know if I can find him here or not. Probably not. Oh yeah, there he is. Oops, where's he going to? Where is he?
A display of my paddling skills right here.
Oh, look at that sculling draw.
Is that
Sculling
not
draw. Guy never gets to use a sculling
I
draw.
tell you, other clubs in the country, they don't have members who can do this, but the Grande Prairie Canoe Club does. And my man up front, powerful. Oh, I hardly have to paddle at all. Mr. Dwight Allen.
There he is. Stand up and take a bow.
No.
Stand up. Come on.
Hard hat on.
Stand up.
I don't want to stand up here.
Oh, I want you to though. Oh, that's enough.
Brain cramp.
And you got a fish on?
Fish, whoa!
He's jumping.
Fish! Whoa! 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 Another grayling. Whoa!
Where's the zoom on this, Harvey?
Near your top finger. Push it either left or right. It sticks up near your top right finger. Yeah,
Okay.
probably.
Oh yeah. How big is that one?
Oh, it might be 10 and a half, 11.
Looks like a monster there. Boy, that's a fast zoom.
Yeah. Oh, he's got it way down his throat.
So we got a nice trip on the Kakwa here. Harvey's fishing at a nice hole here. How many fish is that now, Harvey?
Well, two here, two this morning.
We have some guys across the river there getting some R&R. Must have been a rough night last night. That was another one just jumped.
Here's our Sunday night campsite. Got here at 4:30. It was nice, sunny. We had a happy hour. I went fishing over there. But another great big fish, Arctic grayling.
I witnessed
Probably.
it. I witnessed
Did
it. Yeah. I witnessed it.
Whoa! We're battening down the hatches. We could have a storm coming. It's been thundering for about the last hour. Thought I was going to miss this, but no, I don't think it's going to miss us anymore. Hear that? The skies are getting pretty dark. Weather's coming from that direction. Over there. Blue sky over there, but we're not going to see that.
This is very scary.
Norm just shit his pants. I could sell it. And you got the tarp erected. Should be pretty sturdy, I hope. There are lots of ropes on it. Get the fire going. If we're ready for it, let her rip.
I think our most shelter would be them ledges we were under today. They're sturdy. This is.
Yeah, here's some of the good sized ones here.
Some of them even had dirt in them.
Here, I'll take a photo. Function is not available. Why is it not available? Huh. So, this is what the campsite looks without hail, without rain. Just packing up after breakfast Monday morning. Yeah, Dwight went fishing this morning. Caught 3 grayling. So he claims anyways. Just up to the end of the fast water there. Fast water ends. Pool starts. That's where they all are. I think he's only been here 5 minutes. I haven't seen him any bites here yet. I'm wasting film on you guys. Calm stretch, Monday afternoon. I don't know, what, 15K to go or something?
The tame section.
The tame section of the Kakwa, very tame. Bye-bye.